In this tutorial, I will show you how to create letter portrait photo effect in PicsArt mobile. So open your PicsArt and follow the process. Add your photo layer. Go to the background, then remove background. And using eraser to erase like that. Save this image in your gallery. Go to the add photo and add photo layer. And covered half of this image. Go to the text and type your font. Again add a white photo layer, then using eraser to click invert. Then decrease his opacity approx 65. Now add photo, then remove his background. Go to his blending and apply a screen. Then using eraser and erase half of these. Now go to sticker and add shadow effect. Go to the text and type your font you want to. And finally, this is the result.